Alright guys, let's see what kind of indent it can make on a big log. Holy cow guys, look at that. Welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So guys, today we're checking out this cordless battery operated chainsaw. So a little carrying bag. You get a manual, which we're gonna just slide that down in. They give you gloves. Drop that down in here. So inside the box, you get your chainsaw. Alright guys, so this chainsaw is actually a lot nicer than some I've reviewed in the past. This actually has a hand guard right there. Your battery goes right here. You just twist this to loosen up the chain, I believe. Let's do that. So yeah, you would take this off to take off this cover, and then the chain is underneath this cover here. So you just turn that and loosen it up. So if you get debris in there, it's good to clean that up. So let's see. They give you, oh yeah, so you have to press in this button on the side here. So right here, press that in, and then you can press the trigger for the blade to start spinning. If you don't, there's not gonna, it's a safety feature, it won't go. There is this little protective bar on the top of the chain. So they give you the battery charger, it plugs into your wall outlet, and that plugs right into here. So they do have this cover for your blade when you're not using it. So that just slides on. Again, be careful with the blade. They give you an extra chain. You got 2 batteries in total, so that's a plus. You put oil in here. This is for oiling the chain. They have a cleaning brush as well. Alright guys, so when you take that panel off, that gives you access to the chain for, I believe you can make it tight and everything through there as well. That's probably where you want to put your oil on the chain. Again, wow! Talk about incredible! Okay, I think it's officially safe to say, this is a monster. So guys, we almost cut through this. This one is definitely the best mini saw that I have used. And look at that. Cleaned right through. Now I am noticing the blade. Oh no, now the blade seems fine. Yeah, wow. Yeah, so overall guys, this works great. This is actually my most favorite one, and I love that it has the hand guard. That is definitely a highly plus feature. Overall, this is actually my most favorite mini hand saw